Bro, I'm f***ing bored. Like, what the is there to do?
It's raining right now, and like I just am like so hungry, Landon. I'm so hungry, and like, can Dylan make us pancakes? Low key.
Like, probably that shit would be so fire.
That would be. So
Dylan, come here.
I was gonna make pancakes.
Oh my God, I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry.
Bro, no way she just actually walked in there to make us that shit. Who are you? Why are you in my house?
Oh my god! It's Pancake Jake! He's real!
Violence isn't the answer, but pancakes always are.
I'm Pancake Jake, mother.
Okay.